Now we shall look at the image tag. Let's put an image. The image tag is also, this is how you put a picture, but it has no closing tag. So some tags have attributes, like for example I can say HR color equals red. When I save, you see the line has become red. So those are attributes, they're like characteristics. Now how are the attributes written? You write the attribute name and you put an equal sign and you put the characteristic in double quotes, the way you saw I did for my line. So even for the image, I say image, I say source in short, SRC. That's how it's written. So I look for an image. Let me look for an image on my desktop. It's called image, and when I right click the properties, I see its properties. It is a JPG file, as you can see here. So I write that same image name here, like it is image.jpg. Make sure that that image is in the same place with your page. My page is here on the desktop as well as the image is there. So I just call the image that image source, the name of the image, its file type. For those of you who don't understand file types, if it is a song, it is MP3. If it is a video, it is MP4. So the images, they also have file types. Some are JPG, BMP, PNG, etc. So mine is JPG. It's not MP3, it's not anything, it is JPG. So I save, I refresh. See, my image is put. You can even put other attributes like height equals 100%, width equals 100%. So that is 100% of the screen, as you can see. If I say 20%, it will reduce to 20%, as you can see. So it can be percentage or pixels. I can say 20 pixels. Okay, let me also put 500 pixels. That's it. So I've put attributes. That's how you put an image in your page. Okay, supposing I want to put a space, we said the break tag. Let me put 3 spaces. Control S, I refresh, so you can see. So we said break has no closing tag. It's vertical space. How many times do you want that vertical space to occur is the number of breaks that you put.